Okay, what kind of line am I using? For the spinners on my reel, I use 10-pound XT. Just the good old 10-pound XT is a great trolling line. On the snell, I use fluorocarbon. I use that 100% Berkeley fluorocarbon. I use it in 15-pound test. I use very heavy test fluorocarbon because, again, we've got a lot of zebra mussels around here. And as soon as zebra mussels hit that line, they start nicking it. So every time you pull your bait in, you want to feel that line, and if it's nicked up, change it out. Fluorocarbon is very durable, and that 15-pound is very durable, so that's what we use for our snells.